Hey guys, it's Wolf Lopez here, back with another video. This is going to be a how to buy Terra Luna on Binance. Okay, so I've been using Binance for 3 years now, and Binance is a very good cryptocurrency exchange. In fact, it's the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, and I'm going to show you step by step A to Z how to buy Terra Luna. So let's go. So the first step is to sign up on Binance. If you haven't signed up on Binance, you can find the link in description. Go ahead and sign up, and after you sign up, this is the first page that you will see. Okay, now the first thing I want to cover is that when you create your Binance account, you will automatically be generated a wallet like this. Okay, so let me go to wallet and click find and spot. So I will show you my Binance wallet right here right now. Okay, so this is my Binance wallet. Now whenever you buy, sell and trade cryptocurrencies, your cryptocurrencies will show up in your wallet. Okay, so now you know where this is the main spot on Binance. This is what you will be looking at most of the time. Okay, your wallet. So you can access it here, wallet, and boom, find and spot or overview. Okay, now to actually buy Terra Luna, all you have to do is go to here and buy crypto. It says here pay with. I'm currently in Europe, so it says euros, but it will automatically update your currency, where you are using Binance. But anyway, so there's bank deposit, credit and debit card, P2P trading, cash balance, and third-party payment by Simplex and BankSap. Out of these 5, I have used Simplex, I have used credit cards, debit cards, and bank deposit. But currently, I'm just using credit and debit card. Like I told you, I've been using cryptocurrencies for 3 years, so I have literally tested a lot of exchanges, like so many exchanges, so many ways to buy cryptocurrencies, and currently the best and easiest way I have found is just to credit and debit card. So let's click that, and here we will be taken to a page where you can buy cryptocurrencies straight up with your credit card, which is amazing. So now when you go to coin here, when you click coin and type in Terra Luna, then you are like, where is Luna? Where is Terra? And you know what? You can't buy all cryptocurrencies straight up with your credit card. These are the cryptocurrencies that you can buy straight up with your credit card. But most of, like you can see, there are not many cryptocurrencies here. Because Terra, think about it, there are like 9,000 different cryptocurrencies. Okay? And these are the ones that you can buy with credit card. Now you might ask, hey, how do you then buy Terra Luna? Well, let me show you. So you first buy cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, and then you trade that Bitcoin into Terra Luna. Okay, so let me show you. So when I go to trade and classic and type in Luna here, you can see that Luna has 4 pairings. It has Bitcoin pairing, USDT pairing, Binance USD pairing, and BNB pairing. Out of these pairings, you can use any one of these and then trade that cryptocurrency into Luna. In this tutorial, I will specifically show you how to first buy Bitcoin and then trade that Bitcoin into Luna. Okay, so here's what we are going to do. We're first going to buy Bitcoin and then trade it into Luna. And the first step is to go to buy crypto, credit and debit card, and buy Bitcoin. Okay, so to buy Bitcoin, all you have to do is come here in this page and then just follow the 4 easy steps. So how to buy with bank card. So input amount, select how much you want to buy, how much Bitcoin you want to buy. After that, click buy BTC, and then you will be taken to the step number 2, which is confirm payment details. After that, step number 3, complete safety certification, and step number 4, complete payment, and that's it. That's literally it's very easy. Okay, so after that, when you complete the payment, the Bitcoin you just bought will show up right in your wallet, like I showed you in the beginning of this video. Every time you buy cryptocurrencies, sell and trade, they will show up always on your wallet. Okay, so now you have your Bitcoin on your wallet. And now how to actually trade that Bitcoin in the Terra Luna, all you have to do is go to trade, classic, click search, type in Luna, and click Luna/BTC. This means that it's pairing for Bitcoin, Luna Bitcoin pairing. So here are people, these are people who are selling Luna, and these are people who are buying Luna. And here is your options. You can buy Luna or sell Luna. Okay, so now you obviously want to trade the Bitcoin that you just bought into Luna. So you're looking at here, so buy Luna. Okay, now the next step here is to select limit or market order. So what limit means that if you think, for example, think that the price is going to come a little bit lower, you can come here and put your bid here and then select how much you want to buy, and when you click buy Luna, it will create an open order for you, which means that the order will stay there until the price and conditions are met. So for example, if you think the price is going to dip with $1, then you can put your order there, and whenever it drops here, it will automatically buy for you. Okay, but the problem with that is that if it doesn't drop for a while, or if it doesn't drop at all, your order will not go through. So that's why I always use, if I want to buy cryptocurrencies, I just always go with market. So market means that Binance will automatically give you the best pricing that currently is available. Okay, and beauty of it is that it will instantly buy you the cryptocurrencies. You can get them instantly. So I always nowadays use market buy. So just click market and then just select how much Luna you want to buy. Remember, now you are selling your bitcoins into Luna. So if you go with 100%, that means that you're selling all of your bitcoins and trading that into Luna. If you don't want to sell all of your bitcoins, you can also just come here and, for example, 27%, and that will sell 27% of your bitcoin and trade it into Luna. Okay, just select how much you want to buy and then click buy Luna. Now it will execute the trade instantly. Make sure it's on market buy. So now it will trade the bitcoin into Luna. And after the trade is done, when you go to find on spot wallet, the Terra Luna tokens are in your wallet. Okay, so that's how you buy Terra Luna on Binance. So you first sign up on Binance, link in description. After that, you buy Bitcoin, and then you go to trade classic and trade that Bitcoin into Terra Luna. So that's the 4-step process there. Now, as a bonus, as a huge thank you for watching this whole video, now I'm going to show you how you can sell your Terra Luna tokens. So it works the same way. So now imagine that you have your Terra Luna on your wallet. You go again to trade and classic, and then you click the search and type in Luna, and now you can do the exact same thing but in reverse. So let's say that you want to sell your Luna for USD. So click that, Luna/USD. Then again click market, so it will instantly trade for you, so you don't have to do limit orders. So click market and then just here sell Luna. It will automatically sell it for the best pricing currently, so you will get the best bang for your buck. Okay, and then just select how much Luna you want to buy. Let's say that you want to sell 50% of your Luna. Just select 50% and sell Luna. Then it will automatically sell your Luna for USDT. Okay, then now you have the USDT. Now you can come here and type in USDT, and you can see what you can buy with USDT. For example, if you want to buy Elrond, you can just click here. Now you have the USD. Again, market and type in how much you want to buy, and then just click buy Elrond. So now you can keep trading if you want. I just showed you that because if you're a complete beginner, that's very you obviously want to understand how you trade on Binance, and that's how you trade. You just trade these currencies here, and always use market and or not always, depend on what you want to do, but I always use market because it will buy it instantly for the best price, and then I just boom boom boom, and that's how you buy Terra Luna on Binance. Okay, so if you have any questions, comment down below. I'm here to help you. Okay, and thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe because I will create cryptocurrency videos every single day, tutorials, news, everything. Okay, I cover basically the whole market. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Okay, and also by the way, I created a price prediction video for Terra Luna for 2021. If you're interested in watching that, you can find it on my channel, and I will also leave it as a pinned comment. Thank you so much, and see you soon, guys.